Yeah. Cool. So aside from coronavirus, do you prefer Uber and Lyft or Instacart if you could choose one right now?
Absolutely Instacart. Like
Yeah.
I like 1,000%. I wish I would have started with Instacart. I just didn't know about it.
Yeah.
But I'm honestly worried, once all of this is over, I don't know if this is still going to be as good as it is now. I mean, because tips are so high and
True.
then, the demand is there. Like, I don't know if the demand is still going to be there. Plus they're trying to bring on 300,000 new people. Like, I don't know what that's going to mean for Instacart when,
I mean, yeah, when I was going out before, like unless you wanted to do like a $10 batch with including tip, like you're waiting like
yeah.
a lot. So yeah.
Well, I don't think it's necessarily that way here. I've heard some of my customers have said that they waited a few days for it, but then I had a lady tell me the other day, she's like, yeah, I told them I would like it same day if they're able to get it to me. And she said, and you showed up a couple hours later.
Oh, nice.
So I don't think that's always the case, the wait. But honestly, like, I don't know if I should be saying this. I would never recommend a customer use Instacart. Like, I would, not a customer, but like a friend of mine.
Yeah.
I would never say you should use Instacart as a customer. I wouldn't.
No.
I think it's great for people that are working for Instacart, but just because of how bad their customer service situation is right now, like if you have any kind of issue, you're screwed.
Yeah, pretty much.